Allstate Insurance Company interview questions. This video is to assist you prepare for your Allstate Insurance Company interview and nothing else. So let's start. The first question is, can you tell us about your experience in the insurance industry? The second question is, what do you know about Allstate Insurance Company and its products? Third question, how do you stay updated on insurance industry trends and changes in regulations? Fourth question, describe a situation where you successfully handled a challenging customer complaint. Question 5, how do you prioritize and manage your workload in a fast-paced environment? Question 6, what strategies do you use to build and maintain strong relationships with clients? Question 7, how do you handle rejections and overcome obstacles in achieving sales targets? Question 8, tell us about a time where you had to explain complex insurance terms to a client effectively. Question 9, how do you ensure compliance with industry regulations and company policies? Question 10, can you share an example of a difficult underwriting decision you had to make and the outcome? Question 11, how do you handle sensitive customer data and maintain confidentiality? Question 12, describe a time when you had to negotiate with a customer to reach a win-win solution. Question 13, how do you handle stress and pressure in high-volume sales environment? 14, can you provide an example of a situation where you identified a potential fraudulent claim? 15, how do you approach cross-selling and upselling opportunities to clients? 16, describe a time when you went above and beyond to provide exceptional customer service. 17, how do you ensure you stay motivated and focused on your sales goals? 18, can you share your experience in dealing with complex insurance claims? 19, how do you handle situations where a client is dissatisfied with the claim settlement? 20, describe a time when you had to collaborate with a team to achieve a common goal. 21, how do you adapt your communication style to suit different types of clients? 22, can you share a successful case where you identified and capitalized on a market opportunity? 23, how do you handle customer objectives and turned them into positive outcomes? 24, describe a situation where you had to handle multiple insurance policies for one client. 25, how do you keep track of your client's insurance needs and provide timely updates? 26, can you share your experience in preparing and presenting insurance proposals? 27, how do you handle situations where a client is struggling to make premium payments? 28, describe a time when you had to analyze risk factors and recommend appropriate coverage. 29, how do you handle situations where a client wants to cancel their insurance policy? 30, can you share your experience in handling claims related to natural disasters? 31, how do you stay organized with paperwork and documentations in your role? 32, describe a time when you had to mediate a dispute between an insured party and a claimant. 33, how do you handle situations where a client's insurance needs change suddenly? 34, can you share your experience in working with underwriters to secure policy approvals? 35, how do you handle the pressure of meeting sales quotas whilst maintaining customer satisfaction? 36, describe a time when you successfully resolved a coverage dispute with a client. 37, how do you stay up to date with the competitive landscape in the insurance industry? 38, can you share your experience in coordinating with other departments within the company? 39, how do you ensure that you provide accurate and detailed information to clients? 40, describe a time when you had to deal with a difficult client and how you managed the situation. 41, how do you handle situations where a client is not clear about their insurance needs? 42, can you share your experience in using data and analysis to make informed decisions? 43, how do you approach networking and building relationships with potential clients? 44, describe a time when you had to explained a claim denial to a disappointed client? 45. How do you ensure that you comply with ethical standards in your role? 46. Can you share your experience in handling insurance policies for commercial clients? 47. How do you handle situations where a client is facing financial difficulties and needs assistance? 48. Describe a time when you had to adapt to changes in insurance regulations. 49. How do you handle situations where a client wants to switch insurance providers? And the last one, 50. Can you share your experience in resolving complex insurance billing situations? Thank you for watching this video. Like it and then see you in my next video.